Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to publish your website, your site on Squarespace. So once you have done your website and you want to publish it, you will go to settings here and now you will click on site availability. Now as you can see, I haven't upgraded yet, but you need to upgrade to publish this. And basically to make it public you need to upgrade. But you can leave it on private like so, or you can also choose a password protected to upgrade to publish. You can see these are the plans. So it's a personal, for example, $11 per month. This is what you get with it. And yeah, when you select it, then you can actually publish the website. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.